time, I heard somebody say that natural oils are one of the best friends a woman can have. And let me tell you that from experience and from what I have heard so far about these fabulous friends is so true. Hi, my beautiful ladies. I'm so happy to have you here with me. If I were to ask you, what is your story with hair oils? What will you tell me? What will be your answer? Because I know so many people stop using hair oils for their hair, and some girls have never used it for their natural hair. Can you imagine that? So, if you are one of these girls, or if you just need a reminder about why you should never give up on hair oils for your hair, this video is for you. I am going to share with you 8 reasons why you should never sleep on hair oils. Using hair oils for natural hair is essential because they provide numerous benefits that support your hair's health, strength, and appearance. Here are some reasons why hair oils are good for your natural hair. They help you with moisture retention. Natural curly or coily hair tends to be dry due to its curl pattern, which makes it difficult for natural scalp oils, the sebum, to travel down the hair shaft. Hair oils help seal in moisture and prevent water loss, keeping the hair hydrated and soft. They help you with strengthening and protection. Oils such as castor oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil can penetrate the hair shaft, strengthening it from within. They also form a protective barrier around the hair, reducing damage from environmental factors like UV rays, pollution, and wind. They help with scalp health. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. Oils like tea tree oil and peppermint oil can soothe irritation, reduce dandruff, and improve blood circulation, which promotes hair growth. One thing to note is that it is also really important to choose your oils carefully. You want to use good oils, not the bad ones. I can make a video about that later. They help with preventing breakage. By reducing friction and adding slip to the hair, oils make detangling easier and minimize breakage caused by manipulation. They help with enhancing shine. Oils give natural hair a lustrous, healthy shine, reducing dullness caused by dryness and product buildup. They help with reducing frizz. Oil helps smooth the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and giving hair a polished look. They help promoting hair growth. Certain oils like rosemary oil stimulate hair follicles and encourage growth by improving scalp circulation. They help with customizing care. Different oils cater to various needs. Lightweight oils like jojoba oil and grapeseed oil are ideal for fine hair or as a leave-in. Heavy oils like castor oil and shea butter are great for sealing moisture in thicker, coarser hair. My hair usually does not do well with heavy oils, and I try to know about other lightweight oils that could be good for my hair. For example, I use almond oil for my hair, and my hair loves it so much. But if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Now, how to use hair oils. You can use them as a pre-poo treatment. You can apply the oil of your choice to your hair before shampooing to reduce dryness and tangles. You can use it as a sealant. After applying a water-based moisturizer, you can use the oil to lock in moisture. You can also use it as a hot oil treatment. You can warm the oil and apply it to the scalp and hair. This way, it can deeply nourish and repair damage. You can use it for scalp massages. Massaging oils into the scalp stimulates blood flow and promotes growth. Now, I have shared with you what oils can do for your hair and also how you can use them. I hope these reasons and these ideas will help you with your hair. I want you to have the most beautiful, healthy hair that you can have. Please always remember that your hair is beautiful. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Take care, my beautiful ladies.